Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Let us transcribe and sound these simple words together. Before the transcription, there is need for us to quickly open up the slashes. That's the first thing to be done before transcribing words, okay? The first word here is read. And the second one is write. And the next one is pass. And the one is fail. Oh, I didn't open the end. I didn't open the slash there. This one is in. And this one is out. Okay, let's close them up now so we can sound them together. My letter T is looking funny. Okay, alright, so let's go. Read, write, pass, fail, in, out. Read, write, pass, fail, in, out. Please, I want you to repeat after me. So let's go. Read, write, pass, fail, in. This is a short sound. In, out. I'll go over it just once more. Read, write, pass, fail, in, out. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my video. The Lord bless you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.